Using Bank of America travel rewards for flights is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Follow these rewards to use your Bank of America travel reward points for flights. First, log into your Bank of America account online. Then, select the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card. Next, click on the Rewards tab. Now, browse the Rewards option and redeem your travel rewards point. During the booking process, you will be given the option to apply for your Bank of America travel rewards. Choose to use your rewards points to cover the cost of the flight. Follow the instructions to finalize the booking, which may include entering payment information for any additional costs not covered by your rewards. After completing the booking, you should receive a confirmation of your flight reservation, either via email or on the website. If you have any questions or need assistance with using your Bank of America travel rewards for flights, you can contact the Bank of America's customer service for guidance and support. They can provide you with specific details about your rewards and help you with the redemption process. Following these steps, you can use Bank of America travel rewards for flights.